Food idioms.
Bad egg. Definition: a dishonest or ill-behaved person. Example: he was a bad egg. Some video examples.
You're the egg. You're a bad egg, all right?
She was a bad egg.
I'm a bad egg.
You're a good egg.
A piece of cake. Definition: a task that can be accomplished very easily. Example: English is a piece of cake.
Cake. Piece of cake.
Cake, yes.
No, it's a piece of cake. Piece of cake.
Piece of cake. Piece of cake.
Couch potato. Definition: a person who sits and watches too much TV instead of being active. Example: don't be a couch potato. Let's go for a walk.
Human being is called a couch potato.
To work, you spoiled potato couch.
Listen, you couch potatoes.
Bread and butter. Definition: a person's main source of income or livelihood. Example: selling cakes is her bread and butter.
And that's our bread and butter.
It's your bread and butter.
Feedback, mind the bread and butter.
Smart cookie. Definition: a clever or intelligent person. Example: he is a smart cookie who gets an A on every test.
Be a smart cookie. Vote for Jen Brady.
She was a smart cookie, that one. You're a smart cookie, yeah.
Big cheese. Definition: an important or influential person. Example: my uncle is the big cheese at his company.
Big step for the big cheese.
I was a big cheese. A huge cheese.
You're a big cheese?
Spill the beans. Definition: to accidentally tell a secret. Example: I tried to keep the surprise party a secret, but my little brother spilled the beans.
I almost spilled the beans.
Somebody spilled the beans?
Well, time to spill the beans.
Apple of my eye. Definition: someone who is very special and loved. Example: my grandmother always says that I am the apple of her eye.
Nermy is the apple of my eye.
Saved the apple of Mom's eye.
Is the apple of the corner of my eye.
In a pickle. Definition: to be in a tricky or difficult situation. Example: I'm in a pickle because I have 2 birthday parties to go to at the same time.
I am in a pickle. Okay, we're in a pickle now.
You're in a pickle, then?
Full of beans. Definition: to have a lot of energy and excitement. Example: after eating breakfast, the kids were full of beans and ready to play outside.
I'm white and full of beans.
Hard at work, full of beans.
You are full of beans.
Cool as a cucumber. Definition: to stay very calm even when things are stressful. Example: even though the stage was big, the singer was cool as a cucumber.
I'm gonna be as cool as a cucumber.
This little one's cool as a cucumber.
You're cool as a cucumber.